Hello again, it's Miss Cynthia with the second video lesson on 3-minute English UPSR tips and techniques. Okay, so in the previous lesson, we've talked about 6 reading strategies. And here they are. Today, we are going to zoom in on one of the strategies, which is visualization. But before we move on, it would be helpful if you can download the UPSR model paper for reading comprehension, which you can find on the Telegram group chat or on our blog. You can find the links to this in the description below this video. So in this lesson, we are going to be looking at questions 16 to 20 of section A of the model test, where we typically have a short reading text, just like this one on the screen here, followed by 5 multiple choice comprehension questions. Now, I hope you have already looked at that section, read the text, and tried to answer the questions prior to watching this video. However, if you haven't, don't worry too much about it. You can still follow this lesson perfectly without doing that. You can always do that afterwards. Okay? Alright. So, this is the text. Let's read this together. One day, Lisa was walking down the street when she saw an old man standing outside his house. He was getting ready to cook some lemang in the compound of his house. He arranged the firewood and lit a match, but the matchbox caught fire. He gave out a little scream. Lisa gasped and ran down the road to Uncle Lim's house as fast as she could. "Uncle Lim," Lisa shouted, "call the fire station." The old man staying in the old yellow house was trying to light a match, but the matchbox caught fire. Now his whole house is on fire. Uncle Lim was shocked. He called up the fire station immediately. By the time Uncle Lim and Lisa walked up to the old man's house, the fire engine had arrived. The old man was sitting on the chair, peacefully cooking lemang. "There's no fire here," said the chief fireman. Making a fake emergency call is against the law." Uncle Lim apologized to the chief fireman and turned towards Lisa. She was sorry and felt embarrassed. "I was making a mountain out of a molehill, Uncle Lim," she said. "Please forgive me." Alright, so that's the text. Alright. Okay. So in this video, I like to demonstrate how the strategy of a visualization can help you understand the text you're reading and further help you to answer the question in the test. Now let's look at question 16. I'm going to give you a few minutes to read the question and the answer options. Now, if you look at the reading text, you'll notice that the answer to this question can actually be found in the first paragraph of the text. Now, I'd like you to read the paragraph with a strategy. We're going to reread the paragraph with a strategy. Okay? So while reading, I want you to use the visualization strategy, okay, to picture the people, places, and events are being described in the story. Use your imagination. Right. Are you ready? Okay, let's do it. Here's the paragraph. Right, let's read it again. Use your imagination, remember. Okay? One day, Lisa was walking down the street when she saw an old man standing outside his house. He was getting ready to cook some lemang in the compound of his house. He arranged the firewood and lit a match, but the matchbox caught fire. He gave out a little scream. Lisa gasped and ran down the road to Uncle Lim's house as fast as she could. Can you see the answer to the question in this paragraph? Yeah? Alright, so now let's look at the question again. Can you pick the correct answer now? If your answer is D, you're right. Well done. So you see, visualization not only helps us to understand the text better, it also helps us to remember better. By picturing, imagining the people, places, and events described in the story, we can arrive at the correct answer to certain comprehension questions much quicker. Okay, so that's it for today. Do visit our blog for lesson materials, notes, quizzes, worksheets, and more. See you in the next lesson. Bye bye.